My volume is not that good. Just tell me, okay? And if my surroundings is noisy, if you hear the kids, I do not have noise cancellation, no headset. So I'm sorry for that. Okay, let's go. So I'd like to actually, sige, yan na naman yung mga boys, no? Mas karamihan na mga boys dito, tamad, ha? Sige. Sige. Tignan natin dito. Kita ba yun? Okay, sige. Hindi naman nakita eh, no? Ay, wala pa akong screen share. Okay, sige. So I need to fill this up. Okay, so open your mind, no? Your brain, especially the ears, no? Because I do not know if we're there. Okay, last chance for you to be informed that I need this, no? I'm giving you points for this one. I do not know where to get this, no? Okay. So textbook, I think no one will anymore submit, no? Selfie with a textbook. I'm filling this up. Okay? Lakihan na natin. Tapos para boys muna, boys. Tapos girls. Okay, sige. Let's be transparent, no? Do not envy the ones who are matalino. The ones who are not matalino, they're not skilled. Turn to be skilled in math, no? Okay. Skill lang naman ang talino natin dito sa math. Okay. So I need this. TB means textbook. Selfie textbook. And this one is the calculator, no? Okay. So for this one, it's green. Why? Because they're showing me guessing your grades, no? That's why if you're not there, and I ask you to send me PM, messenger me, and you're not there, you are absent, ha? Okay, pasensyahan. So, performance is your attendance. And then this one, I see one. Robles is asking actually if he can pass. No, it's no longer, no? I've given you enough time. You cannot ask me anymore. But you have chance, Mr. Robles, Rafael, to be submitting, no? Okay, submit. This is unannounced. Next. What day? Unannounced nga, no? And then finally checking of your art note taking will be there, no? It's 20. And then it's 60. Okay, you do not miss that. Are you listening, everybody? Thumbs up. Okay? Sige nga, tingnan ko nga thumbs up niya. Okay. I don't need to actually chat that, huh? I've told you that several times already. Okay? If you are so lazy to be writing and it's art, okay, related is your MAPE, your arts, yun na talaga kayo. Katamaran yun, no? Okay, it does not involve any mathematical skills, but it's your art. Okay, you're gaining grades in math by your skills in art, and you are depriving yourself for that grade. I'm so sorry. Did you get that? Nakuha? Sige. So this one is IC1 initial checking for your project. It's subject to. Okay. I didn't finalize it. I subject to increase or decrease. Why? Because I'm looking at the standard, no? Like I'm having Villanino as a standard. Ang ganda nun sa kanya. But 20 is, I think, perfect, no? So I will look into his notes if it is really complete. Okay. Kuha. And then I release also the rubrics for you, no? How I graded you. Okay, why do you have that score? Did you get it? Okay, same as ICT 20 and FC final checking of the project. Okay, that's it. And then if you are to think, no, merong kang grade dito, no, I do not, no? Ayoko makita ng iba. So, meron sa inyo tatlo o apat, line of 7, no? Lahat is line of 8 and iba line of 9. Okay. So, this is good to go, no? Once okay na tayo, calculator is there. Bigay ko yung initial grade nyo after the the monthly exam. Okay? Okay, we do that always, okay? And then try to pop up. So this is October 7. And then October 24, 25, 26, I think it's your 25, 26, 27 is your periodical. So habol pa, no? Okay, habol pa. So for those who are achievers last year and wish to be achievers still, no? Okay, don't lose hope, no? Okay, so I'm your father slash mother, no? As class advisor. If you do have problem, huwag kayong magsasarili, okay? Okay. So for those, uh, tingnan natin, no? Uh, I do not, dapat, kasi hindi ko sinasabi ito, no? Everyone has a chance, no? It's not only the achievers of last year to be achievers this year, no? Everybody has a chance. Now, if all of your subjects will be line of 9, and then one or two, huh? I'm not telling one or two or three. One or two seems line of 8. That seems to be, you actually just push a little up to become 90. I'll work on it, no? Okay, to whatever subject that is, as your class advisor, father, mother, brother, sister, I can do that. Did you get it? Okay, we'll give you a chance. Okay? Okay, I'm not telling, that those people are the past achievers. No, it's not. Everybody get to have a chance. Has a chance. Okay? Okay, sige. That's me. I'm talking about homeroom now. Let's go. Review. 11:52 na tayo. Okay, saan tayo pupunta? Okay, balik tayo doon sa beginning. Okay? Let's review it. Kasi parang nakulangan ako sa YouTube. Okay? And the approach of your ito. Bakit ito bigla na lang sumusulpot? Buti lang di ako nanonood na kung ano-ano rito. Ayan, kagaya niyan. Oh. Ang bagal pa naman. Ang gagawin ko rito. Ayan. Okay, sige. Biglang nag-log out. Okay, everybody go to the page 1, 2, 3 of your textbook, no? Get your textbook. Let's review as fast as we could now. Don't have time anymore. Okay, sige. Ang hirap ng math nyo. Nai-stress na rin ako. Okay, let's review, Monday is your long quiz. Okay, hoops, okay. So we know geometric sequences, no? Can be generated by a common ratio. Just multiply the present term. Of course, the initial term, it's the A1, no? The first term. Just multiply it with the ratio, and then you can generate the next terms. Did you get that? And ratio, by the way, can be generated from this, no? This one. Okay, what does that mean? It is the last or the present over the preceding, no? Like it's A2 over A1, not A1 over A, not A1 over A2. It's A3 over A2, but not A2 over A3. Did you get me? I'm talking about the terms. Now next, this is the next term, no? So I can have my next term by having to multiply the current, or this is the preceding, no? N minus 1 refers to the preceding, okay? Okay, kaya yung last yun, okay? Yung huli, no? Preceding. And then multiplied by your ratio, of course, no? You can generate the next. This is the next, no? Term after that preceding. Hindi sila magkalayo ha, magkadikit lang sila. Next, they are just but close to each other, no? If we are to generate the next term, of course, it's just after the preceding term. You can generate it with multiplying that preceding with the ratio. Okay, that is what the meaning of that formula. Okay? Saan nalilito na kayo? Okay, you should be actually reading this, no? Okay. Who knows, no? You might be statisticians, demographers, no? Working in the ano nga ba ngayon, hindi na NSO, it's PS, Philippine Statistics Authority, no? PSA, no? Okay, pwede yan. Okay, yan ang sabi dyan sa mga, basahin nyo din yan. Minsan kumukuha ako dyan. Next. Okay, so aside from this, how do you generate actually the term, no? Okay, the term. We have also this formula, and this is the formula. This one, no? In this formula, all you need to have is the first term, no? If you think, like, for instance, you're getting the 10th term, no? You can use this. Okay, it's far from the first term, but there's a relationship, no? Okay, all you need to have is the first term, which is A1. Ito, A1, no? And then what is the ratio? Of course, there must be a ratio in whatever form that is. R is equal to, or you have to compute the R, and then N there refers to the term, no? Okay, if it's first, second, third, or 10th term, like it's this 10th term, it's A subscript of 10 is equal to A1, R, a ratio, right? Raise it to 10 minus 1, okay? So if this is subscript 10, R is raised to 9, no? It's a minus 1, okay? Less 1, no? Decrease by 1. It's always that. And we go to the sample now. Okay, I think I never discussed this to you, but if you are wise and so interested in math, you are to read this, no? Write the first terms of the geometric sequence. The first term is 5 and the common ratio is 3. Okay. Sa inyo kasi word problem na yan, no? Okay. But I'm not delimiting you, no? I will not limit you in Monday's, what do you call that? Monday's long quiz, no? Sige, open notes kayo. Open textbook kung gusto nyo, no? Okay. Naintindihan? Oh, pero time constraint, no? Easy and difficult. Bahala kayo. Okay? So, write the first term, madali lang yan, no? So, like what I've said kanina, we apply this. Okay? Sige, we apply that. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? You are to generate the next terms, no? 5 terms. Given just the first term is 5, may value. Ratio is 3. Easy, no? 5 times 3, it's 15. 15 times 3, okay, it's like that. If you do not want this, no? I think this is complicated. So you go back to having this one. Okay, sige. So, sipagin na si Sir Romel, no? Wag niyo siyang i-complicate class. Pag kino-complicate niyo siya, lalo kayong ma-stress, no? Okay. Ay, sayang yung kanina. Saan ba ako? Okay, nagsasample ako kanina. How can I use my ano tawag nito? Stylus. Kasi tinatamad talaga ako magsulat. Hindi mo sa tinatamad kaya lang napakadulas ng stylus. Hindi parang pero maganda naman ang penmanship ko, no? Okay. So ulitin natin ito ha. Okay. Huwag po kayong yung malaking ano tawag nito, yung laging complicated ang gusto, no? Napansin ako sa inyo, nagsosolve kayo, generate lang, no? If you find this complicated, okay, what is the other way that you can solve it, no? Okay, because this one is using a n equals the first term r n minus 1. It's using that. That is why if you see that there, a 3 sabi dyan, it's the first term. What's the first term? It's 5. And then what is the ratio? It's 3. And then you're raising it to not 3 anymore, but it's 2. Did you get it? Okay, kasi nga 3 dyan and 2 yan. Why? Because of this minus 1. Did you get that? Okay, and you can generate it. 3 times 3, it's 9 times 5 is equal to 45. Did you get it? Okay, if that is complicated, Diyos ko Lord, okay? Yung isa, ang sinasabi ng isa is a n is equal to a n minus 1 times r. Okay. So for that, if it's a3, find out, no? Ano sinusundan ng a3? It's a2, that is 15, that is your preceding times 3. Is your ratio, it's 45. Did you get that? Okay, ganun lang po siya. No? Okay, that's the application of your formula. Okay? So which one do you want? It's up to you, no? Both works. Bahala po kayo. Next. Okay, so therefore the first 5 terms, it's easy, no? Generate it. Okay. Find the value of r. Okay, this is somewhat difficult, no? Letter B. Find the sixth term of the matrix sequence 24, 16, 32 over 3. Okay, this one will be difficult, no? So you have to have your ratio. Okay, from this one, okay, it's complicated. This is not giving you easily, no? The ratio value, but 16 over 24 does, no? 16 over 24, that's it's not 24 over 16. You are generating or you're looking for the sixth term, no? Not to generate anymore 4 and 5th, but direct to the 6. So, you need ratio. What else? Oh, ratio only. Okay, let's go. Letter B. Ratio of 16 over 24 is 2/3. Okay. And then if you notice, okay, saan na ba yun? And then if you notice, no, the formula that it was used there, anong formula ang ginamit dyan? Okay, sige, tingnan natin. Wait lang. And I'll give you the idea also, no? That's why I'm letting you actually use calculator so you can be fast, no? Hindi na nag-go-work si Kwan. Sketch. Mabilis po ako, class, ha? Dapat po ay ang tawag yan? Nag-screenshot na kayo kaagad. Okay, sige, let's go. So, in the mind of this creator, he has this formula, no? Okay, it is, but 24 is given is A1, no? A1, it's R, n minus 1, no? So, you right away can solve 6th term, 6. Yes, 24. But R is there, no? 2 over 3. It's the 16 over 24. 2 over 3. And then, of course, this is 6, that is 5, no? Okay. And then, take note, class, no? if I'm saying you can actually use a calculator, you do not need to actually expand this to be having 32 over 43. If you want 2 over 3 is, okay, what is that? And that's a decimal. Anyone? Okay. If you want that in decimal and raise it to 5, it's okay. And then multiply 24. And then this one can actually be in decimal, no? So, 2 to 8, parang something yan, no? Okay, hindi, nanghula lang ako. Okay. I can accept that, no? If you have that, it's okay also. It's up to you, no? Did you get it? Okay. So, for this one, for this case, you cannot have this, no? Ba't ka magbabother niyan? Hello, kailangan mo ng A5 para ma-generate mo yung A6. Wala ka niyan. Hello, no? Okay, naintindihan. Gagawa ka pa ng A5. Okay, gumawa ka ng kalokohan, may fraction doon. Remember? Okay, meron yung fraction. Oh, edi nabaliw ka na, no? Generate mo yan. Tapos, 2 over 3. O, generate ka pa. Edi, bumagal ka lalo. Okay, let's go. Letter C, mahirap. Pakibasa. De la Cruz. Okay. Parang feeling ko, nakakalimutan ko na yung mga hindi kasi sumasagot sa messenger eh. No? Ang mga estudyante ko, feeling ko yung mga sumasagot lang sa paper and pen and mga nagsisend ng papel. No? Oh, anong feeling nyo? Genyo lang tayo lagi. Hindi ganun. Oh, no? Okay, sige. Pakibasa letter C. Si Juan. Si Renz, no? Renz, pakibasa to.
Hello, sir.
Okay,
Saan, sir?
go.
Find
Di ba may libro
A,
ka? Find A9.
find A9 if A2 equals 2 and A5 equals 1 over 32 in geometric sequence.
Okay, so I'm telling you now, no? If you want to treat those fractions as decimal, you can. Okay? Okay. Naintindihan? Sige, let's go. Letter C. Actually, I am forced to actually go back in here. Why? Because I was checking the letter B. Okay tayo sa B, no? Milestones. And D, no? And number 4 and 5 is telling me I cannot solve this. But when I go over this, I said letter C could help, no? Okay. Naintindihan niyo ba ako? Okay. Milestones letter delta of 4 and 5. It seems I lost, sabi ko, parang there's something wrong in here. I cannot solve it, no? Your teachers is also solving. Did you get that? Okay. So, kung hindi ko na-solve, titingin talaga ako. I find ways to actually be my pattern, no? Okay. So, this is my pattern for letter C. So, you notice, no? Given is, okay, tignan nyo yung given, ha? A9 is, A2 is, okay, 1 over 32. Memorize that. 1 over 32. So, again, you're looking for A9. Okay? There is but A2, which is 2. There is A5, which is 1 over 32. Am I correct? Okay, I think I'm correct. Okay? Okay. There is but A2 that is 2. There is no A1. Check your textbook. A5 is there, by decimal. And then A9 is to be solved, no? Okay, sige, let's go. I want you to actually understand this. Pahabol lang po ito, no? It's some kind of difficult. Okay, let's go. Okay, so solve for R first, no? But how can you solve for R if there is no two terms which are written beside each other, no? Okay, A2 and A5 which are given are apart, no? They are very distant, no? Distant sila. Dapat magkadikit ang ratio. Dapat it's A3 over A2 or A6 over A5, but those are not given. So how do we do it, no? But A2 is given. A2 is equal to, and then A5 is equal to 1 over 32. Take note of this one, no? We need this pala, no? Okay. Where is that coming from? From that formula. Okay. Baka mahilo kayo, ha? Okay. Oops. Okay. So again, where is that coming from? That A1R, it's coming from A and O. Again, it's coming from AN is equal to A1, A1 yan, times R, N minus 1. Okay? So if A2, there's a pattern really, huh? So A1, R. If that is 2, that is 1, no? Okay. So for A5, that is given. If that is A5, then A1 is also is related to them, to that ratio, by the way. Then R is raised to 4 only, right? Because of this minus 1 telling you, no? So we need this. Why? Okay, sige. I-disregard this now. Okay? And then all you need to have is that 1, no? Okay. Disregard this. Why? Because this one seems giving me the ratio. Okay? Why? Okay. I do have the value of my A5, which is 1 over 32. A2 is 2. Okay? It's over. No? It's over. Bakit siya in-over? Okay. Because, hindi ko sinasabing hindi pwede silang i-divide, ha? Okay. But this is telling us, no? Okay. Because they're far apart, no? It's A5 over A2. How come that is giving us a ratio and they're far apart? No. By this formula, we can use it. There's a relationship really, no? Okay, how? Okay. If you have that, okay, A2 and A5 there, notice A1 over A1 is cancelled. And then you can operate R raised to 4 over R will give you R raised to 3, no? Okay, did you get that? 4 minus 1. This one is imaginary exponent 1, no? 4 minus 1, it's 3. Therefore, you're solving for R cubed, no? But R cubed, it's not the ratio. Okay, R cubed, that's raised to 3. Okay? Okay. So, in essence, A over 5, subscript 5 over A subscript 2 is not giving you the ratio. It's giving you the ratio, but it's raised to 3. Did you get it? Okay, that is why that is needed. Okay, tingnan nga natin kung nata-thumbs up yung nakakaintindi. Thumbs up. Okay, sige, thumbs up. Okay, let's go. Salamat, naintindihan. Okay, so therefore, we can have this now, no? 1 over 32, that's the value of A5 over 2. Then if you notice, this 2 here should have the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 2? It is but 1/2. Okay, your 2 is gone as denominator. It will be multiplied. The reciprocal of 2, which is 1/2, should be multiplied to 1 over 32, no? So 1 times 1 and 32 times 2. That's why it's 1 times 1 is 1, 32 times 2 is 64. But notice, that is not the ratio yet. Okay, sige. How do we actually, ayan na naman tayo, no? Balik na naman tayo doon kay Ma'am Maraya. Dapat tinuro ni Ma'am Maraya sa inyo to at naintindihan. Kung hindi, paktay kayo. Okay. Budgeting my time. Sakit sa ulo. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Patawarin ang online na to. Okay, sige. Let's go here, no? Because in here, I doubt it. If you know how to do this, no? Okay. So for your radical, this is radical, by the way, no? Okay. So for your radical, it's r raised to 3, 1 over 64. All we need is r is there, no? How do we actually remove cube there, no? It is but, okay, how do you do it, no? Remove it. It says that the reverse of a square root is the square, or the reverse of a square is a square root. Okay, so for this one, the reverse of cube is a cube root. So you need a cube root. Did you get it? Okay, so R3, you need to have a cube root. Okay, that's it, no? So if you're doing it in your left side or in the left side, right side must have the cube root of it also. Okay, so it's the same. So gun is your index radical symbol and it's gun, no? So that is why, again, the reverse of a cube is a cube root. Again, uulitin ko lagi yun, ha? Okay. And then, if you want it, the reverse of a cube is a cube root. Laging ganun po. Okay. Hindi pwedeng r, it's not impossible, no? R raised to 3. And then you raise it again to 3. What happens to you, no? Okay. It's increasing. Power is increasing, no? It's not diminishing. So for this one, r is left. Okay. And then cube root of 1, there is, no? 1. For 64, it's 4. Did you get it? Okay. So treat this one. Oh, sometimes it's not a perfect cube, huh? For this case, 1 is a perfect cube, 64 is perfect cube. It's 1/4. Did you get it? Thumbs up. Suntukin ko kayo. Okay. Next. So we don't have problem anymore, no? So R4 or so R is solved 1/4, no? And then for this one, it's again okay. So come to think of it, no? Why do I need this A1 to be solved? Why? Because take note. Okay. A9 needs this. Okay. This is the formula, no? With r raised to n minus 1. 9, 8. That's a pattern, no? It's always. If you see this, it's not a magic class. It's not a magic, huh? There's a pattern in there. Okay. The formula A sub of n is equal to A1 r raised to n minus 1. It's always like that. In here, it's automatic, okay? So take note that in looking for A sub of 9, if we are to look for A sub of 9, we need to have the first term, okay, for that case. Okay, I don't mind to be actually looking for the A term, no? It's A8, and then multiply the ratio, no? Okay, for me to have the A9, okay, and if you do A8, you go in this formula again, no? Really, you need the A1, no? How do you find the A1? Okay, let's go. 19 na. Diyos ko Lord, pag ito ay nasa pisara, tapos na ito. O, tapos mag-practice na lang kayo, ha? Ano ba yan? Ayaw tayong pagbigyan. Item not collected. Okay, makisama ka. Okay, sige. Where do we get that one, no? So, alam na natin. Okay, ito, ayaw ko yan, presentation na yan. No? There's something wrong in there, no? Okay. So, remember your R, no? It's always but the last or the present over the succeeding, n minus 1. Okay. Subscript yan, ha? So, it also means to say that if I do have A2, it should be divided by A1, no? Tama ba ako? Yes, oo. This is the next term over the preceding, no? Ayan, tama yan. So, yan, hindi ko siya maintindihan, no? So, tanggalin mo yan. R is equal to A2 over A1. And then, I say, we need A1, no? Where do we get that from? Okay. From here, no? Okay, so, cross multiplication, no? Or, if you want, just switch these two, no? These two. A1 is here, go down, R. Okay? So, that's this one. Nakuha? Okay, that's as easy as that. So, you need this, no? Ratio, don't forget that. Okay, it's always tricky, no? Nakuha? Okay. Why? Because A2 is given, it's 2. And then you do have we finish solving the ratio, it's 1/4, right? And the reciprocal of 1/4, it's 4, right? So for this case, it's 2. Gun is your 1/4, becomes 4 over 1. That is 8. Did you get 8? Okay. So remember that, huh? Remember that. Okay? So we can proceed now to solving A9, no? A1 is 8 from that, and then ratio is 1/4, raise it to 8, no? And then in here, naku po, ayan. Nagpapaalala na si negative reciprocal. Ay, negative ratio, ha? Exponent. Nagsasabi ni sir. Okay, sige. Let us recall this. Okay, do you understand this? Tingnan natin kung may nakakaintindi nun. Okay, yung negative exponent, do you recall it? Thumbs up. Are you looking for your textbook? Are you looking are you seeing your textbook? Okay, wag lang lagi dito kay Sir Romel. Okay, tingnan na natin. Diyos ko po, 7 na lang. Okay, wala na. Sorry. Wala na talagang time. Meron na ba ako nun? Okay, i-recall po natin yung ating negative exponents, no? And finally, we can get the value of your 9th term. Okay? Okay, sige, tingnan natin. So I'm substituting everything, no? A1 is to be solved. Our 1/4 is the ratio that we have solved, no? Prior the first term. So we're here now, no? Okay. What is the meaning of that, no? Okay. If you want to actually have 1/4 in a decimal is 0.25 raised to 8, tapos ka na, no? Okay, how do you do that in the scientific calculator? It's easy, ne? And then this one, in terms of decimal, no? Decimal number. Hindi po ganyan nakapangit magsulat, ha? Maganda po ako magsulat. Okay? Madulas lang kasi talaga itong stylus. Okay. So for this one, if you want to ask Sir Romel what happened there, 8 can be actually be 2 raised to 3, no? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, tatlong beses. 3 times, it's 8. And then if you notice, If that is 2 as a base, 4 can be written there also as a base, no? Remember that 1/4 raised to 8 is what, no? Okay, let's check. So I'm going to transform 4 into 2, no? It's 1 over 2. You raise it to 2, right? Okay, so it's 8. And then recall also that if you want to move this up, no? You want to move this up, it becomes a negative, no? So 2, okay, kahit wala na yon. Okay, you're moving up. This 2 raised to 2, what will happen there, no? It becomes a negative 2. Did you get it? Okay, that is why 2 raised to a negative 2 is a decimal, no? It's a fraction. Okay, naalala niyo ba yon? Okay, just kick it up, it becomes negative 2. Like if you have negative 2 up in the numerator, exponent, kick it down, it becomes positive, no? Ganun din yun. That is why, essence, okay, 8 is not gone yet, no? And then if you notice it's there, negative 2 times 8, it's a negative 16. Remember that is the power of a power, no? Power of a power. This one, power of a power. And then 2 raised to 3, and then they have the same common base, no? It's 2 and 2. Okay? So what happens now? It's multiplication. It's power of products, no? What happens if you have the same bases, you just add the exponents. Same 2, 2, and then 3 and negative 16 should be added, no? You just add. So 3 plus a negative 16 is of course integers. Adding it, it's 3 negative 16 or minus 16 is negative 13, right? Okay, it's 2 raised to negative 13. And then you want it again converted into positive exponent. What are we going to actually do? Kick it down, no? Why? Because 2 raised to 13 is good as that, no? Kick it down. 1 is left there and 2 raised to 13. Okay, see? Exponent there, kicking it down. Okay, so that is the answer na. But what is 2 over raised to 13? Tignan natin. Ayan. Ito na siya, no? Okay, so remember 8 is not is unknown, no? Blue is unknown, 8. And then given it's 2, the second term. Fifth term is given, that is 1 over 32, no? 1 over 32. Okay, so it's 1 over 32. And then for 1 over what is 2 raised to 3, no? It is but 8,192, no? 2 raised to 13 plus 2 raised to 13 is what? It is but 8,192. But it's 1 over. That is why it's 0.0012, no? Okay. So, that is, okay? Okay, you can have that. Check. You want, no? We begin with A1 times 1/4, it's 8 over 4, it's 2. 1/4 of 2, it's 0.5, and then so on and so on. Okay. If you want your answers to be decimal, it's okay. Given 2, given 1 over 32, or 0.03125. And finally, 1 over 2 raised to 13 is 0.0012. It's the 9th term. Okay. Ako ha? Parang hindi. Okay. So, kinonvert ko lang siya, no? Okay. If I'm going to actually generate it in decimal numbers, it's like that. Did you get me? Ako ha? Yes. Oh, hirap na hirap si Eliza. Okay. So, it's 1 minute, no? I want you to go now, no? Letter C is so important. Why? Because letter C is telling us to solve. Okay, we go now to the. Oh my God, 12:29 na kasi. Okay, yung geometric mean, madali na lang ito, ha? Okay, remember these two. Okay? Oh, it should be extreme, no? But The extreme should be in odd, ha? Hindi siya pwede sa even. Like, there are 5 terms. There should be 9 terms. There should be 3 terms. There should be, okay, you can find the geometric mean, which is in the middle, no? You know what I mean, no? But if it's even terms, like how many terms are there? It's 2, 4, 6. You cannot, no? Apply that. This one. Okay? So remember that one. I taught you that. Next, we skip the C, G finite now and the infinite, no? I taught you that. And then we go to the milestones. I think I'll get a lot of long quiz from here. Okay, tignan natin to. Try skill builders. Okay. So this is easy, letter B, no? Okay, we don't need that anymore, no? And then C. Okay. Okay. So find C. Key answers and look for these ones, no? Okay, missing. It says there it's missing. May typo din minsan, no? Doon sa key answers. You just check it. Okay? These are given and how do you find it? Letter C. And then we go back to letter D. Finally, with that letter C sample that we have, A1, okay, 4 and 5. A1, A7 are given. Okay, so A7 over A1, no? So you go to that A1 R raised to that n power, and then there is 10 there, no? Okay, and 10. And then you're looking for the, pag find 3 terms, you're looking for the geometric mean. Okay? I'll give you the answers. Okay, it's for your drill. It's bahala na po kayo. Okay, you can answer this. This one also. Gusto niyo ba sagutan natin to? Sige, number 3. 31 na kasi eh. Okay, yung 4 and 5, parang letter C lang yun. Number 3, tignan niyo siya. Bagal. Okay, extend lang tayo ha. Baka mahirapan kasi kayo eh. Diyos ko Lord. Okay, bear with me. Sandali lang po. Solve natin yan. Okay, so we're trying to solve number 3, no? Makinig lang na mabuti. Okay. So for this case, it is what you need to have yung formula mo, no? Okay, what is your formula? So remember, we are looking for the geometric means, no? Geometric means. Okay. There are 3 daw, no? So for this case, there is n is equal to 5. So meaning to say, you have A1 up to A5, no? But A5 is not given. Ratio only. And Sn, no? What is your Sn? It is but A1, right? 1 minus R raised to N. Memorize nyo po yan. Over 1 minus R, no? Okay. Since this is given, that is S5, right? Based on this. Okay, and then A1 is not given, no? A1, look, you're going to have to look for that. And then 1 minus R is given, it's a negative 2, no? Sorry. Okay. So it's a negative. Ako talaga magsulat dito. Okay, it's a negative 2, make it a bracket, and then raise it to 5, no? Because we used the n there as 5, and then 1 minus a negative 2. Okay? And then we go up. Dito na lang pala. Okay, and then we're looking for A1, right? Okay, how do you do that? Sn is given. Okay, it's 222 is equal to, okay, bear with me po, tapos screenshot nyo po ito, equals, okay, A1 now, no? A1, and then 1 minus, okay, operate 2 raised to 5. I think it's 32, no? 2 raised to 5 is a 32. Okay. Diyan lang kayo. Taste kayo. Okay, so 1. But it's a negative, no? Raised to 5, which is odd, is a negative 32. Okay, tapos 1. A minus and a negative 2. Just change the sign of the negative 2, this one. No, this one. Sorry po. Okay. Minus a negative, change the sign of the negative 2, then proceed to addition. So 1 plus 3, no? 2 is 3. Okay, and then A1 is equal to 1 plus 32 is 33, right? Okay, 33. And then raised to 3, over 3. And then this is 220, 20. And then, okay, what happens now? Tama ba si sir? Yes, oo. And then 33 over 3, pwede na yan, no? 11 yan. So A11, and then 220. So you have your A1 is equal to 220 over 11. I do not know what that is, no? If you do have that now, you can actually have the A2, A3, A4. How do you do that? A1 should be multiplied by the ratio. Ah, okay, tama. Ito siya, no? Okay, 220. So 220, okay. Next ito, no? So A1, it's A2. So A1, it's 220 over 11 times the negative 2. Oh, that is your A2. Okay, kasi meron ka ng A1. Yung ratio mo, yan. So, yan yung A2 mo. Solve mo na lang yan, no? Pag may A2 ka na, A2 times R ratio. E di may A3 ka na. Kung may A3 ka na, ratio ka, A4 ka. Naintindihan? Paki-screenshot na yan. Tignan nyo na lang yung mali dyan. Okay? Screenshot. Done. Good luck. Bye-bye. Nahirap ang math niya.